太极拳，
太极拳。
The yin-yang philosophy of Taijiquan includes static dynamic, fast and slow. Chinese believe that dynamic is contained in static, and fast is contained in slow. Taiji is the combination of these energies. Its fighting principle is to maneuver the internal energy flows to achieve speed and power. The most important function of Tai Chi is to experience the theory of static and dynamic in nature and life, and tune one's heart and figure in harmony with nature.
太极拳，
太极拳。